Welcome back to Auto Vibes, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme hypercars ever created, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of engineering brilliance and Formula One-inspired performance wrapped in a road-legal machine. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is the epitome of automotive innovation, born from a collaboration between Aston Martin and Red Bull Advanced Technologies. Designed to push boundaries, this hypercar is as close as you can get to a Le Mans prototype for the road. Every inch of the Valkyrie screams performance, from its aggressively aerodynamic body to its lightweight carbon fiber construction. The exterior is nothing short of breathtaking, featuring a low-slung stance, dramatic curves, and an enormous rear diffuser that maximizes downforce. The teardrop-shaped cockpit enhances aerodynamics, while the minimalist LED headlights and sculpted hood add to its futuristic appeal. Beneath the carbon fiber shell lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine developed by Cosworth, producing a staggering 1,000 horsepower. Paired with a Remix-engineered hybrid system, the Valkyrie pushes its total output to around 1,160 horsepower. The result, a spine-tingling driving experience with an 11,000 RPM redline, Formula One-like responsiveness, and a 0 to 60 mph time under 2.5 seconds. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed automated manual gearbox, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and maximum performance on both the road and track. Inside, the Valkyrie is a cockpit designed for pure driving engagement. The minimalist interior features an F1-style steering wheel, a digital display, and lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats. There are no unnecessary distractions, just a driver-focused environment that enhances the experience of piloting this engineering marvel. With an estimated price tag of around $3 million, the Valkyrie is reserved for the elite few. Limited to just 150 units, exclusivity is guaranteed, making it a collector's dream. The key selling point: it's one of the closest things to a Formula One car that you can legally drive on the road. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie. What do you think of this ultimate hypercar? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive automotive content. See you in the next video, only on Auto Vibes. Your YouTube script for the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie is ready. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks or additions.